To get our terms straight, what does it mean for something to be necessary for something else to happen? And what does it mean for something to be sufficient for something else to happen? Let's start with necessity. A condition is necessary if, without the necessary fact being true, a consequence of that fact could not follow or happen or be true. There are lots of examples of necessary conditions. For example, in order for you to exist, it is necessary that the universe exists. But the existence of our universe is not sufficient for your existence because the universe existed for a long time without you in it. Similarly, a condition can be necessary for the existence of free will, but not sufficient for the existence of free will. For example, it's necessary but not sufficient for you having free will that this universe exists. Without this universe, you cannot exist. And obviously, you can also not have free will if you don't exist. Now, what does it mean for something to be a sufficient cause of something else? It means that the sufficient cause's mere occurrence suffices to bring about the consequent outcome. For example, there are lots of ways for you to travel from your house to the next city. In order for you to get there, it is sufficient for you to drive there, but it's also sufficient for you to take the train. But neither is necessary for you to get there because you could have gotten there in lots of other ways. Now that we know what necessary and sufficient means, we can address the difficulties of the exclusion argument.